Well, greetings. So this should be a relatively quick one. I am going to breeze through installing the Nvidia driver via the .run. As you can see, I have attempted to, and then I realized, why don't I make a video on it? Anywho, let's get to it. I will mute the mic, that way I can speed this section up a lot. So, I will see you shortly. And that was it. 3 minutes, 5 seconds. In, done, out. That is how you install the Nvidia driver via the .run. I've got a few more things that I need to do before I finish up because, yeah, for reasons. But hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe, all that jam. Donato links in the description below. Every little bit helps, including tossing a coin my way or even some hardware to make these videos better. And with that, I will see you in the next one. Bye.